Before you ever send a cold email, what if AI already knew exactly what the company does and why they're worth your time? Hey, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'll show you how I built an AI-powered company research engine that turns a single company name into sales-ready insights automatically delivered to Slack and your CRM. Step 1. Receive company research request. Receive company research request webhook. This is the entry point. The workflow starts when a post request is received with a company or brand name. Step 2. Normalize incoming search query. Normalize incoming search query set cleans and standardizes the incoming search query so it's safe and consistent for SERP execution. Step 3. Execute Google SERP search India. Execute Google SERP search SERP API. Runs a real-time Google search to fetch organic results, snippets, and authoritative sources. Step 4. Extract company website and descriptive signals. Extract company website and descriptive signals. Code. Extracts official website, primary company name, descriptive snippets, Wikipedia summary if available. Creates a clean preliminary company profile. Step 5. Analyze company profile from SERP data. AI agent uses AI to determine what the company does, industry headquarters, founded year, sales-focused value proposition. Step 6. LLM engine for company intelligence reasoning. LLM engine for company intelligence reasoning, GPT-4o. This node powers the reasoning behind the company analysis. Step 7. Parse and normalize company intelligence output. Parse and normalize company intelligence output. Code. Cleans AI output, validates JSON, and ensures fallback values. Produces structured, CRM-ready company intelligence. Step 8. Generate sales-ready company insight. Generate sales-ready company insight, AI agent, transforms company intelligence into a human-style outbound insight. Why this company matters, who it's for, why it's a good outbound target, clear next step. Step 9. LLM engine for sales insight formatting. LLM engine for sales insight formatting, GPT-4o, ensures the sales insight sounds like an experienced SDR, not an AI summary. Support node, not narrated as a main step. Step 10. Send company intelligence summary to Slack. Send company intelligence summary to Slack. Post the final sales-ready insight directly to Slack for the team. Step 11. Log company insight to Notion CRM database. Log company insight to Notion CRM database stores the company insight in Notion for tracking, follow-ups, and CRM usage. Error handler trigger. Slack, send error alert. This is how modern outbound starts. Research first, messaging second. If you're building smarter sales systems, subscribe and I'll see you in the next workflow.